Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today it's time for another window shopping video because Banggood has been releasing a bunch of new ESCs and products, which is starting to get exciting again because it's been dead for a while. And if you see my previous mailbag time, I did really receive a bunch of new things, some awesome stuff. And if you haven't checked it out, it's the video before this video. So the way this works is everything I check out, it'll be in the description down below in the same order, so you can go ahead and follow along. So let's get started. First of all, we're greeted with this ESC. Now I did write Banggood. Hopefully they will provide some for testing. Hopefully, if not, I'm gonna have to purchase these. And I really want to see how well these are gonna perform. So far we can't really see any filtration going on here. Maybe we could see something. So they're going with that whole new long ESC design just because our arms are getting smaller and smaller. I don't see any filtration, which is kind of scary here. So this is it doesn't even have much going for it. I really don't know what to expect. What does it say here? This is 45 amp. Okay, what about the microcontroller unit? It doesn't even say anything. So I have no idea if it's a BL S or a BL 32. It doesn't say anything. So this is going to be pretty interesting. We'll see once we receive it. So I'll left a link to this down below, and let's go back. So let's start scrolling down. Oh, so we got a couple new things. Diatone, I don't know. This is the same type of design that what Airbot would do. So I'm pretty sure Airbot is the manufacturer of this ESC here. We'll double check this right now. So let's go ahead and check out the new T motor. $28. Holy crap! That's just on a whole new level 45 amp ESC. Let's just see its weight. 10 grams. That's pretty light actually for 45 amps. So it does have LED filtration, looks very nice. It's a BL 32, that's why it says 32-bit 3 to 6S lipo. This looks proper. It looks proper, but that's all I could really say, to be honest. Okay, so what are we running? F40505. Okay, all right. Fast response, 0 lag. Maybe we could test this stuff. ARM 32-bit Cortex. Operating at 48 megahertz. Okay, BL 32. So this is pretty nice. This is actually very nice. Continuous current, 45 amp, peak 55 amps, and this is all wrong. And why do I say it's all wrong? Because it varies from voltage to voltage. They should have said 4S 45 amps, 5S 40 amps. I'm not saying these are the correct values, but that's how it should have been done. But yeah, I'll leave a link to them down below, and I'm definitely gonna try to get my hands on at least one. If I could afford 4, I'm gonna get all 4. All right, so the Diatone, what is this? It's a spare F44 and 140 amp ESC. Okay, no filtration. What is it, a 20 by 20? What is this? No, it's a 30. Well, I can't even see the other side, so I have no idea what the hell or how good this one's going to be here. This is yeah, I can't comment much on this one just yet. So yeah, I'll leave a link to this down below. I'll try to get my hands on one. Maybe Diatone's watching. Can you send me some Diatone? There we go. All right, so let's see here. What do we have? Teeny. Okay, this is, I think, like a 1S kind of setup going on here. So this is new from Flycolor. Maybe we'll try to get my hands on one. It's what is this? It's a complete stack without a VTX. BL 32, 4-in-1 ESC up to 40 amps, F4 flight controller, and I'm pretty sure MPU 6000 gyro. Yes, MPU 6000 gyro, F405. Okay, so this is nice. This is nice. It has a 3.3 volt, 5 volt, and a 12 volt regulator, thus giving you pretty clean video feed, hopefully. And if you have crappy batteries or crappy ESCs, if the voltage drop goes down below 12 volts, you're gonna be talking about VTX blackouts all over again, like we used to. If anyone still remembers those days. So yeah, that's why they've dropped down to a 9 volt regulator. So it's a 12 volt regulator at the current moment of time, but yeah. So I'm just trying to get a picture of the ESC here. Okay, so this is the back side. Looks okay. Would have liked a little bit more, to be honest, but that's totally fine. We'll take a link to this and check it out. It's 77 bucks. It's pretty good priced. We've already seen that. Here you can get your gyros for your Airbot flight controllers. Okay, SpedX GS. Ooh, I didn't get this one. I got the IS100. So this is SpedX 4-in-1 ESC 40 amp BL 32 2 to 6S. Nice. It's a 30 by 30, and let's take a look at it. It looks overall good. Please say there's a 9 volt regulator on board. Nope, just a 5 volt regulator on this one. That's okay. That's fine. Filtration looks pretty decent. Very nice. Kind of so put it over here all the way on this side, so that's pretty cool. It's very close to the battery terminals, so that does help quite a lot actually, so it's very nice to see. Now how does it perform? Can't answer that until we test it. So it's in stock. I'll leave a link to this down below. I'm trying to get some of these too. All right, so that looks pretty cool. What is this? Original airbot. This is the copper. I don't know what to think of this, but it could be good. 20 bucks is just like any other motor would cost, so I'm not really fond of it. Airbot power module, V2 Beck and LC filter. No, I'll pass on that. Alright, so yeah, look at this. Airbot, I guess, has teamed up with Banggood. So let's see what they got here. So, but 20 by 20 stack, 25 amp. Looks like a pretty nice setup. We could already tell that there's an OSD, some tantalum capacitors, so that should keep the overall OSD running pretty good. No more pictures. So 68 bucks. So this, I truly believe, I think I've seen this Ori 32 ESC. I think this is, as you can tell, look at it, it even has a current sensor for each motor. So it's a BLA 32 and there's going to be telemetry. That's nice, and it's stackable. That's even better. So I think this will outperform the HJLRC stack, no doubt in my mind. So I'll have to link to this down below also. So I've recently, well not recently, a long time ago, I've tried the original Airbot RAS32 minis. These are the V2s. I've never tried the V2s. They're already under restocking. Wow. So they're pretty good. They're tiny. I don't recommend you put a large motor on this, but they look pretty well filtered out for like a 15.0 something motor maximum maybe, but I could be wrong. But this is what I would expect from this. So it is running BLA 32 and 35 amp current. Pretty nice. It's mini. It's very small. Let's see what it says its weight here, and they don't put that anywhere, so that's kind of cool. Okay, so we'll take a link to this down below. Let's see what else they got. The V2s, I've never seen them. So is this the Ori, the same one over there? I think this is a 20 by 20. No, this is a BB2. No, that's not the same one. That's the Ori 32. So this is, I believe, is 20 by 20, 25 amp BLA S up to a 4S. Yeah, it's a 20 by 20. 40 bucks. Now let's take a look at it. No, it does not include the connector, sold separately. Pretty nice big capacitors there, so that's nice. And that's about it. There's another big fat one there and a little one here, but it's good. I mean, it's better than the HJLRC, I can tell you that, in terms of filtration. External capacitor needed, so you might need one if you're using larger motors. So I don't think they give you it. They give you a capacitor with it. 40 bucks. It's pretty weird. Typhoon 32 for V2. So this kind of looks like the Holybro version. However, as I know, each company has their own specs for different filtration now, but I could be wrong. These caps look pretty small. So just, it has everything. This is just sick. I love it. We'll leave a link to this down below. 60 bucks. Holy crap. All right. Typhoon 32. So this is I've never seen, is this the first version? Yeah, this is the first version. It was, I never got it to work, so I'm not even gonna check it out. This one, oh, it's a V2. I've tried the V1s of these Typhoon ones. Not so good. And the Racer Star Rev 32 or Rev edition, whatever, anniversary edition, is basically this ESC here. 30 bucks. So I'll leave a link to this down below if you want to check it out. It's pretty noisy. It's actually really noisy. I mean, it's the V1. I've never tried the V2, but it looks like it's going to be noisy also. Let's see here. This looks nice. Look at this one. This looks pretty sexy, actually. Wow. Or it's just that thing that makes it look nice. No, it's pretty nice. Look at it. That's pretty damn awesome, actually. That is pretty damn freaking awesome. If I don't get this, I'm going to get the frame. Wow. That is awesome. How much does it cost? Oh my goodness. Well, I mean, that's just the normal price now, and we've gotten used to it. So it looks pretty cool. I'll have to link to it down below. Airbot Wave 4-in-1. This is a BB2 10 amp chip. BB2 chip 10 amp ESC 2 to 3S. 2 to 3S. So this is going to be going for micros. 20 bucks. That's actually pretty good if it's a good ESC, to be honest. That's very good, actually. If it's a good ESC, again, I don't know if it is, but it, I mean, yeah, it should be pretty good. I mean, oh, what the hell? Wait, okay, yeah, it can be pretty good. I mean, Yeah, why not? If it's for like a 90 millimeter maximum of a 3-inch, actually 2.5. I wouldn't put it on anything larger than 2.5. Ori, yeah, this is the one that we saw with the stack in the beginning, I believe. This one's okay. So we got the filtration there, and there we go. We got more pictures. Let's zoom in here. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is gonna be a proper one, to be honest. Oh wow, that's sexy. Oh my goodness. Oh, I need me one of those. 45 bucks. Yeah, this is kind of the thing you want to put the 20 by 20 with some ultralight build. This seems like, again, everything I'm saying here, I'm just looking from the picture and just from previous knowledge and just the capacitors on board, basically. Very simple. This looks like it's a proper setup. This will outdo the HGLRC versions, all of them, all day, any day, because one thing, the pads are a lot larger. I've never ripped a pad off of Airbot before, and I've ripped a shitload off of HGLRC products, and I'm pretty sure many of you has had that happen also. All right, so let's see, what else do we have? Sorry about the chair, it's a little bit noisy. All right, so we got the Ori. This one looks proper. It's pretty expensive. Airbot Omnibus Fireworks V2. This was the Airbot corner. Not really a big fan of it. What is this? Oh, they just put like something on it. All right, this looks like the Tico. We have to test them and see the difference between them. This looks like the V1 actually. Is it? What did it say here? 1.1. Yeah, there isn't much filtration going on here, but I've never tested these. So 16 bucks, pretty expensive kind of for minimal filtration, but they're saying it's rated up to 6S, so that's pretty good. Let's see. I got some of these on the way. I can't wait to try them. These are super awesome. Freaking awesome. I'll leave a link to it down below. I got like 2 of them, I think, just to see which one's the best one, because they're super cool. They're hella fun. If you can't fly, just stick your little 1S in there and just go around. So I got some SpedX, and I think that's pretty much here. Let's check out the radios and receivers. I do have an FrSky X-lite on the way. I'm very curious how well that's going to be, because to be honest, I have the Horus X10, and I'm finding it too fat for, yeah, I'm a thumber, so I find it too big for me to fly. Sometimes I have to just fix my finger back on the gimbals because it's just so big. And yeah, so this is gonna be pretty interesting. It's pretty cheap too. That's a very good price actually. 130 bucks. That's really good. I mean, especially if you're just a casual flyer, there's no need for anything more expensive than this, to be honest, at least in my opinion. Unless you want to do some, I don't know if this takes modules, unless you want modules, but if you want modules, this is like 10 bucks cheaper. Oh, FlySky. So some people said, oh no, FlySky, they just stole it from Underground FPV. FlySky is a huge manufacturer, guys. FlySky just gives us the little shit that's left over, by the way, just to clear that up. FlySky does agricultural, does military stuff. They do all kinds of, I've seen some crazy stuff. This one guy once emailed me, and he was just sending me some of their things, like pictures of stuff. I was just wow, I was amazed. No wonder the latency was the best. Just because Banggood has FlySky and all these other Chinese manufacturers don't mean it's shit. That means it's pretty. The gimbals are shit, I'm not gonna lie, but the internals are proper. So that's what I'm telling you, to give us like the leftover crap. So I left the link to this down below. 180 bucks. Let's see, mode 2, July 30th. Looks interesting, but the gimbals look crap though. I don't know, we'll see. So it has a new, I'm curious to test out the new protocol, if it's any faster. That'd be pretty interesting. OpenTX firmware? What? That's crazy. This might be a little new winner. I mean, but it looks, I mean, why'd they go so long here? It looks so ugly, but maybe for the battery. I mean, I don't know. Maybe ergonomically it feels good in the hand, so I really can't say much on that perspective. What happened to goggles? I haven't checked the goggles in a while. That's pretty much it here. Oh shit, we didn't even go to the newest stuff. XM Plus is $14 now. I remember like 20 or something a while ago. Not interesting. Let's check out, let's see. FPV systems. I'm curious. Let's see what they have. Skyzone's coming out with their new goggles. Supposedly I was promised one, but I don't know. That'd be pretty cool if I get one. Let's see. Okay. Antennas. I'm not really much of an antenna tester myself. I just stick to what I like. Oh no, that's not it. I don't see anything that's just like draw drop. Oh look, the Banggood has it. Are we on new? Yeah, Banggood has the Konex system. $500. Yeah. What is this? This is a it's bullshit. Alright, well, batteries and chargers, I think that's really it. There's really nothing else. I mean, I really want to get into the fixed wings, but I don't think I have the time. What the hell is this? Oh, these are batteries for it. Okay. Here's some more parallel charging boards. So as I have heard in China, like the Chinese people, they know, or they think, or it is the best battery is the Tattoo R lines, and that's what I've heard actually countless times over there. And I'm planning on trying some myself. I think Banggood has them. I don't know where they are. The Tattoo R lines. I heard GNB was good, but I don't know. I have no idea. I like something that is not all about power. I like it to be very, I like it to withstand a lot of torture, because I tortured the shit out of my batteries, and I want something that lasts, you know. And hopefully they're one of them, because what I've noticed is on premium lipos, they die almost instantly. You leave it charged, you get into some kind of a hard crash, it's dead. You over discharge by a little bit. Not always, but it's much more likely than just a normal 70C, or what I call 70C, like a good mid-range battery, like the Infinity 70Cs. I still have them now. It's been more than a year. I use them for tuning and stuff, and they're good. I can still have fun with them. I mean, not get like a super performance out of them, but I really don't care, because I have other batteries for that. But for tuning and just like cruising and just double checking everything's running correctly without wasting the newer ones, or you know, just having to use a cycle from the newer ones. Yeah, I got this. It's on the way. And I did get this actually. This backpack is pretty damn good. I might make a video for that in the field so you guys can see it. I actually use it now. It's my light setup backpack because it's so goddamn big. It's awesome inside. I put like a 4-way charger, my X10, my what is it? My batteries, tools, my Fat Shark goggles, and I still have space to put other shit if I wanted to. So I was amazed, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. This thing was actually pretty good. And this thing is a reflective thing. It scared the shit out of me the other day when I walked into the office at night. It was like reflecting. I was like, what the hell is that? So yeah, I'll leave a link to it down below. It's very good. Oh, $62. Forgot how much it costs. So it was pretty damn good actually. Usually I used to buy camera backpacks. I'll leave a link to this down below also. I got this. I want to see how well this is compared to my setup. And I think that's it, guys. So that's really it so far. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to let me know. And I will see you next time. See you guys. Take care.